Read the disclaimer, please. Hi there, lovely individuals. Peepo Coin Channel. I would like to discuss XRP, Bitcoin, and a McDonald's surprise that has intriguingly been highly beneficial for the cryptocurrency market. You're mentioning McDonald's cryptocurrency. What is the ratio in that case? Why? What's the connection? Soon you'll comprehend. We will discuss the government shutdown, which is drawing closer and closer to the reopening that the markets have been eagerly awaiting. All I ask is that you smile at me so that I can radiate those positive feelings. Smash the like button. Smishity. Let's attempt to get this video to receive 1,000 likes. You people are capable. I'm sure of it. As you do so, I'll take a moment to look at my mails. Please, please, please do. All right, let's begin. At the moment, XRP is trading at 246. The day following yesterday's significant XRP surge, the cryptocurrency is really down minus 2.5%. We are witnessing a slight reversal. It goes beyond XRP. As you can see, it began at roughly 5:30 AMI. What is that then? At around 10:30, minus 7. Yesterday around Eastern Time, there was a sell-off in Bitcoin, which had an impact on the entire cryptocurrency market. As you can see, they all performed the identical motions and actions. The cryptocurrency market pushed back there. Therefore, it wasn't just XRP, but XRP is retreating a bit more, by 2.5%, after rising sharply yesterday. Ethereum, on the other hand, is slightly up since the graph resets to 0 at 3 a.m. GMT. As a result, it appears to be slightly higher today. However, as you can see from the watch list, everything is red except for the dominance of Bitcoin and Ethereum. As it stands, there is a lot of red present today. Since yesterday was a mixed day, the majority of assets are in the red today, with perhaps a few small ones in the green. Although the overall cryptocurrency market was a little erratic yesterday, XRP did well. Therefore, it will be fascinating to observe where the market moves forward. We now have a new partner on the channel, BYDFI, if that piques your interest. I must say that since I started using the platform, everything is going really well. It's going extremely quickly. For users who are registering, we do have a fresh promotion with them. Well, the promotion is visible in the Telegram group. I made a post there. For those who sign up and make deposits, we have these incredibly generous bonuses. In addition to receiving these incredible incentives, whale traders will also get access to an exclusive VIP group on Discord where they may communicate with me and a BYDFI official. As you can see, a liaison will be working with us and will have access to the group. Everyone can access the standard Moneymaker VIP channel. You don't require special access. However, there will be a VIP group for those who, as you may know, desire access. We will therefore be opening that. I will receive a commission if you trade via my link. So please trade sensibly. There are always opportunities in the market at the moment. Whatever your heart wishes, you are free to go long or short. But please, please, please trade sensibly. All right. The market has occasionally gone a little crazy, so you need to be aware of the dangers and benefits of using leverage in trading. The link is in the description below if you're interested. It's an affiliate link once more. It's a collaboration. I will therefore receive a commission. So I'm grateful for that. And anyone can join that regular Telegram group. I simply want to stress that, and I will do it in the group as well. There are some phony profiles online, and I made a phony group about it. I'm not like that. This is the only group I'm in. I'm not sending you a direct message. I'm not asking you to make strange exchanges or anything. A group is present. Don't look for it, but they're engaging in a variety of strange antics. Well, I'm just worried that there will be imposters now that I've opened this up. I'll let Telegram know about it. I have not received a response as of yet. No, normally on X, for example, by a day later, they send you a response. Not yet, Telegram. Therefore, we will attempt to stop the other imposters once more. If not, I will continue to warn against this. All right, because it's really, really crucial. Nobody should contact with these imposters, in our opinion. All right, and delving into strange things they're attempting to provide people. Just be really cautious when you're out there. All right, so it appears that the government shutdown is quite near. The bill to end the government shutdown has been adopted by the U.S. Senate and is now awaiting final House approval. Correct? Thus, as each day passes, we become closer and closer. He was even on Yahoo, as you can see. Hold on, where did that disappear to? An article was once there, but it vanished. It's technical difficulties time, correct? The government shutdown was the topic of discussion. In any case, the government shutdown is almost coming to an end. Well, and once it's over, it will be fascinating to watch how the market responds. Once more, we have discussed how markets have typically performed well following government reopenings. America's government. It does not necessarily imply that the markets will go crazy. Correct. A prior event does not guarantee that it will recur in the future. Not financial guidance. Always conduct your own research before making an investment. Very, very significant. This movie is simply meant to be entertaining and educational. Do your own research, please. Very, very significant. Well, so we'll see. We'll see what transpires. The long-awaited draft of the crypto market structure bill was finally issued by the Senate committee, which is another significant development. It is anticipated that the law which would change the regulations governing Bitcoin and cryptocurrency will be passed by the end of the year, and this is the Clarity Act, if my memory serves me correctly. They're referring to it as that. Correct. However, this might be something else. In any case, it sounds like a Clarity Act, regardless of whether it is or is not. But even if it's something different, even if it's nothing, that's still better since clarity and this new act are then added. However, I believe it's the clarity. Therefore, this will once more provide clearness, correct? Transparency in the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, investors are more assured when you are clear. That's the way things are. Correct. Why do sell-offs and fear arise from uncertainty, since we have no idea what will occur? Correct. Nevertheless, if you have confidence, it's the key to an asset. And the good thing is that, for example, if a corporation says, oh, 6 months or a year from now, we have a lot of orders, right? Therefore, you should trust that business. However, the business may lose many of its clients the following year if it answers, we don't know. That will therefore instill terror. It breeds doubt. You have no idea what will occur, and a pre-sale typically occurs at that time, correct? Or pre-purchase, correct? Therefore, that is crucial. As well as what typically occurs with the markets, is that they are already examining what might occur around 6 months into the future. That has happened before. Again, this does not imply that it will occur in the future, but in many cases, the worry is highest when it appears to be imminent. Additionally, things appear to be going pretty badly. The real money usually starts to come in at that point. At that point, it may notice that the numbers are beginning to improve. They normally enter at that point, but the level of terror is still very high. This time, it doesn't mean that. Or the cryptocurrency market will behave similarly. These are merely the lessons I've previously gained from the markets, and these are only my observations, experiences, and actions. Thus, that will be quite intriguing. Now, what is the significant signal about which everyone is so enthusiastic? So, I'm not sure whether you heard. Although my kids enjoy this restaurant, I don't often dine there. McDonald's recently revealed that, starting on November 11th in the US, it will be reintroducing the McRib for a brief period of time. Well, I've never had a McRib. Well, if you have, please let me know in the comments if it tastes good. Is all the fanfare worth it? And if it's so fantastic, why don't they make it available constantly? I understand its appeal, don't I? However, why bring something on and off if people truly want it? I'm not sure, however. In the last 5 years, the McRib has made a comeback each and every time. Our Bitcoin and cryptocurrency following has experienced a successful run in the market. It went up in 2024, went down in 2021, then returned in early 2025, and is now returning once more. Is the bull market being triggered by the McRib? To return, and Coinbase even posted a tweet about it. McDonald's and Crib are back this season. Well, people are therefore becoming enthusiastic about the McRib and the possible medium to long-term effects it may have on the cryptocurrency markets. Please exercise extreme caution. All right, I appreciate you watching. Next time, I hope to see you. I determined that people had been asking me about that because of the situation, and as I always answer, no, I forgot. Well, we're not sure. I so made the decision